Hello children, today we are going to learn a new number. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Can you show me your 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Let's count how many mangoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 mangoes. Meet Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom is a cute little puppy. Let's count his legs. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Tommy has 4 legs. Mr. Tommy has a car. Can you count the number of wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4. The car has 4 wheels. Mr. Tommy went to the market to buy some vegetables. He bought some lady's finger and few tomatoes. Can you count how many tomatoes are there and how many lady's finger are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lady's finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tomatoes. Mr. Tommy has a chair and 4 spoons. Let's count the legs of the chair. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4. The chair has 4 legs. How many spoons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spoons are there. Children, let's do one activity. Let's learn how to make number 4 with the help of these matchsticks. I have 3 matchsticks here. So, first, standing line, one sleeping line, another standing line makes the number 4. Can you do this activity? Now let's learn how to write number 4. Your index finger. Now let us trace standing line, sleeping line, another standing line. Number 4. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, another standing line. Number 4. Now we will learn how to write number 4 in the box. So start from the black dot, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Number 4. Let's write here. Standing line, sleeping line, another standing line, long standing line. Now children, hope you have learned how to write number 4. See you in the next video. Bye bye.